Burnout isn't just about being tired, it's about being drained in every way. It's emotional exhaustion, physical fatigue, and mental overload all rolled into one. For many women, it shows up silently. You keep smiling, keep pushing, keep performing, but inside, you're crumbling. Why does this happen? Because society has told women that being strong means doing it all. Be the perfect employee, the perfect mom, the perfect partner, the perfect friend, the perfect woman. And while we're chasing perfection, we're sacrificing peace. But balance doesn't mean perfection. Balance means choosing wisely what deserves your time, your energy, and your soul. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything for everyone, yet losing yourself in the process? That's burnout. And in today's world, women are juggling careers, families, and expectations that often feel impossible. But here's the truth. Balance isn't about doing it all, it's about doing what matters most. Reclaiming your energy means learning to pause, to breathe, and to prioritize yourself without guilt. Imagine waking up not drained, but excited for the day. That's possible when you start saying yes to rest, yes to boundaries, and yes to self-care. Remember, rest is not weakness, it's power. Money isn't just numbers in a bank account, it's confidence, freedom, and choices. Yet so many women are taught to be careful with money instead of powerful with it. Today, I want to share 5 habits that change everything. Budgeting with intention, investing early, building an emergency fund, creating multiple income streams, and practicing money affirmations. Imagine the freedom of saying yes to opportunities, not because you can afford them, but because you've built security. Financial independence is not a luxury, it's your right. And the moment you start taking control, you stop living in fear and start living in freedom. For decades, women have been told beauty is about size, shape, or flawless skin. But the truth? Real beauty has nothing to do with perfection, it's about presence, confidence, and authenticity. The glow up isn't found in a mirror, it's found in the way you walk into a room, the way you treat people, and the way you carry your scars with pride. When you stop chasing approval and start embracing yourself, something magical happens, you radiate. Confidence is the kind of beauty that never fades, never wrinkles, and never goes out of style. For years, women have been told to choose a career or a family, ambition or nurturing. But why should women settle for half a dream? The truth is, motherhood and ambition are not enemies, they're partners. A woman who leads at work also leads at home, and the lessons she teaches her children are priceless: strength, resilience, and the courage to chase dreams. Yes, balance is messy. Yes, there will be hard days. But thriving isn't about perfection, it's about showing up fully where you are, whether it's the office or the kitchen table. You don't have to choose. You can create a life where both worlds empower each other. From the time we are little girls, we are taught to be polite, agreeable, and pleasing. But what if the bravest thing a woman could do was to stop apologizing for who she is? Authenticity is not rebellion, it's liberation. It means speaking your truth, even when your voice shakes. It means saying no when your soul whispers no, even if the world expects yes. Living authentically is messy, imperfect, and sometimes uncomfortable, but it is also magnetic. Because the world doesn't need another perfect woman, it needs you. Unfiltered. Unapologetic. Unstoppable. So, here's my challenge for you. This week, choose one thing to let go of. One burden you've been carrying that isn't yours anymore. And in its place, choose one act of balance, whether it's an hour of rest, a walk outside, or saying no to something that doesn't serve you. Because the truth is, the strongest women aren't the ones who do the most. The strongest women are the ones who know when to pause, when to breathe, and when to choose themselves. From burnout to balance, it's not just possible, it's your birthright. And today is the perfect day to begin.